Jave Beats exclusive.
Welcome back to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare a delicious lemon pepper wings. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get further contents like these. Guys, the ingredients for this lemon pepper wings will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out. Now I'm going to start by cleaning up my wings. So that's nice. There's nothing really much on the wings, guys, to really clean up, more than taking off these fine hair on it. Clean off those hairs. Yes, guys. Also, when you finish cleaning up your wings, cleaning off those fine hairs on it, you're gonna wash it with some vinegar. Or if you don't got vinegar, you can use lime or lemon. It's up to you. Also, you're gonna give this a rub. Take off those hair off of it, guys. So that, guys, clean off those hair off of it. You don't want it. When you fry up the chicken, you have all of those excess hair on it. This is what I'm talking about, guys. These fine hair, you need to get them off. Also, these yellow stuff on it, you need to just rub your finger over it like that. Just like that, guys. Take off all of that yellow stuff off of your meat. Clean it up properly, guys. And then after, when you finish cleaning it up, you're gonna use your vinegar and wash it off. Wash away that rawness from it. Now, guys, I'm finished cleaning up my wings. They're looking so good. So beautiful. Clean them off very properly, guys. I'm going to wash them now with some vinegar. Put away that rawness. So that, guys. Grab it, guys, just like that. Get off the water. Just like that, guys. Then we're going to chop them in two. We're going to chop them right in the joint. Just cut them right there, guys. Just like that. Now this is how you want to cut your chicken wings into two, right by the joint. Just like that, guys. So you got the leg bit, and you got the wing. You want to cut them just like that, guys. Here's what you need to prepare that lovely lemon pepper wings. I'm using 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of chili and lemon seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, and also 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning, and also my wings that I've already cleaned up and washed it. Now I'm going to start to season up my wings using my lemon pepper seasoning, my paprika, my chicken seasoning, my all-purpose, and also my chili and lemon seasoning. Now, guys, as you put on those, you want to give them a rub in all of that seasoning on your meat. Rub it in properly, guys. Smelling so lovely. Just like that. Rub more your seasoning on it. Rub them on properly. Guys, after you finish rubbing on your seasoning, you're going to put this one side to marinate for half an hour. Just like that, guys. That's how you want to season your meat. You're going to put this one side. Now, guys, in the meanwhile, your wings are marinating. Now you want to add your flour. pan. You're gonna add your black pepper, also your cornstarch, your garlic powder, and also you're gonna add a teaspoon of paprika, your flour. So like that. And you're just gonna give this a mix it around in your flour. But this is what you're gonna dip your, this is what you're gonna put your wings in before you put them in the oil to fry. Remember guys, you can preheat your oil in the meanwhile you're doing this on medium heat. Also guys, before I forget, you need to add some lemon pepper seasoning to your flour. Also just add 1.5 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning to your flour also too guys. Just give that a mix that around. Now guys, my wings are finished marinating. Now I'm going to add them to my flour. Just like this guys. Just going to add them like that. I'm going to add them to this plate. I'm going to do guys just like that. Cover them in your flour. Put them on a plate separately. Guys, in the meanwhile your oil is preheating on medium heat. You're just going to heat your oil for 5 minutes. Shake off the excess flour off of it. Oh, there you go it guys, I'm finished putting all my wings in my flour. They're fully floured all over. Now guys, my oil is hot. Now I'm going to start to add my wings inside. Just like that guys. Guys, you're going to leave your wings to fry for about 10 to 12 minutes on the medium heat. Yes guys. Now guys, I'm finished frying all my wings. This is how you want your wings to look guys. Looking golden brown, just like that. So you want them to look guys. Just like that. After you finish frying up all your wings guys, your lovely lemon pepper wings, you're going to make that sauce for the lemon pepper. You're going to use 2 teaspoons of butter. You're going to put it in your microwave and just melt it for about a minute. And then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning to it. And also I'm going to add about ½ teaspoon of parsley also guys. I'm just going to melt this in my microwave now guys. Now guys, my butter is melted. Now I'm going to add teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning to my melted butter to make that sauce. So let's just add that. Let's give it a mix. So you want to make that lemon pepper sauce guys. Now I'm just adding a bit of dried parsley to it. Alright guys. You're going to coat the wings with this, with a brush. Yes, guys. You're going to use your brush and just coat it. You're going to see how I'm going to do it guys. So now guys, you're going to use your lemon pepper sauce and paint your wings just like that. So I'm going to give them a coat with it. Lovely lemon pepper sauce guys. Guys, just try this one at home. So delicious guys. Guys, you're going to do all of your wings like this. Give them a coat with your sauce. Just guys, just like that. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell. Tell me what you think about this lemon pepper, guys. Lemon pepper wings, when you try it at home, it's so delicious, guys. You guys should try it. Until the next time, thanks for watching.